You are going to love the 2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power brakes, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.